Now let's have a look at our premium services. Within our YachtWorld membership, we offer a suite of tools that are designed to help you manage your business and grow your inventory. If you are not a YachtWorld member and are interested in these tools, please speak to your account manager. MLS, PBS and FSBO leads can help you find more boats to sell. You can access these from the BoatWizard menu. Let's begin by looking at the MLS tab. Simply click on MLS at the top of the toolbar in BoatWizard. The MLS, or multi-listing service, is the search engine for professionals. It gathers all the information from boat adverts available within YachtWorld. The MLS serves two main purposes: to analyze the market so you know what your competitors are offering, and to find boats available in co-brokerage. With the MLS, you can access a co-brokerage database of 66,000 boats to offer to your customers. Search criteria can be selected by using the main menu on the left-hand side, and by selecting one or more listings, you will be able to activate the buttons at the top of the page. If a boat is available for co-brokerage, you will find this information under the field Co-op type, as you can see circled in red. You can use MLS to find out how many similar boats to yours there are in your region and at what prices they are being advertised. Supply and demand is not the same in all regions, and this has a strong impact on the number of requests you receive. With the information from the MLS, you will be able to implement corrective measures. Once you have identified the boats of interest, you can complete a multiple selection by clicking on the button on the top left corner of each advert, seen here circled in red. You can then print the advert or send the specs by email. However, please note that it is only possible to display your company logo and contact details on boats which are available in co-brokerage. Now let's have a look at the PBS, or Professional Boat Shopper Service. You can use the Professional Boat Shopper Service to create alerts on market activities. This section can be found at the bottom of the search menu on the left-hand side of the MLS tab. First, select different criteria to narrow your search. Then you can save your searches and assign alerts to them. Once a boat matching your criteria becomes available, you will receive an alert over email and save time on your search. You can also save a search directly from the MLS tab by clicking Save this search. You can then find the matching results under the PBS Professional Boat Shopper tab of BoatWizard. Now let's have a look at our FSBO, or Private Seller Leads tab. FSBO stands for Sale by Owner, by the way. We do not allow private sellers to advertise on YachtWorld, but they can register their interest to be connected with a broker who can help them sell their boat. Our For Sale by Owner section shows a list of these private boat owners. This information is published for 30 days, so we recommend that you check regularly. In the list, you will be able to find contact details of the owner and the main information related to the boat. You can order results by type, for example, power or sailboats, or by length, date or price. If you want to search by model or country, then press the Ctrl and F keys, or Command and F on a Mac, and then type one or more words depending on the result you wish to obtain. These will be highlighted in orange in the listing. Now let's talk about SoldBoats. The SoldBoats tool, as its name suggests, is another market analysis tool. But unlike the MLS, which remember gives you information on boats still for sale, the SoldBoats tool will only refer to boats that have already been sold. To access the SoldBoats database, simply click on the SoldBoats option within the main BoatWizard menu. SoldBoats data can be used to analyze market trends. What type of boats are selling fast and for what price? You can also get useful insights on a specific boat or model. When was it sold? By whom? For what price? And how long did it take to sell that boat? You can compare data between similar boats. The data can also be used for users to share their previous successes for collaboration purposes by sharing specs of the boat with their logo attached. It also helps users understand the value of their stock for trade-in purposes. It can also be used to complete evaluation for surveyors. You can also export listings into a CSV file to quickly compare info between different boats sold. You can discuss the sold boat services and the requirements for qualifying for access with your account manager. When you access the Sold Boats page, a series of filters will appear on the left-hand side, and the result of your search will be based on the elements that you've targeted. No fields here are mandatory, so you can simply type in the model of a boat and click on Search to get a general idea of sales around the world and over an indefinite period of time. Our advice would be to redo a more specific search by determining at least the brand or make and the model. All the features mentioned in this video are exclusive to YachtWorld, so remember to reach out to your account manager to discuss further.